Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But before we start making our peanut butter and jelly sandwich, wash your hands so no germs get on the sandwich. So now that we've washed our hands, we can start making the sandwich. You start by laying out the 2 pieces of bread. Next, you have to spread jelly on one of the pieces of bread and peanut butter on the other. And then put them both on top of each other. And then if you want, you can cut it in half. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that today you learned how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But before you go, make sure you subscribe and like this video if it helped you out. Thank you, bye!